Hi everyone, Glamma here. So I am going to do a recap of all of the earrings that I showed yesterday during my vintage $5 paparazzi jewelry show. And so I've already shown a recap of the short necklaces that I showed during my live, and now here are the earrings. If you want to watch the full live, just go ahead and scroll down, or if you're on YouTube, scroll to the side and you will see my live from yesterday. And so here are the earrings that I showed. Okay. If you're interested in any of these, then go ahead and just leave a comment with the number down below, or you can take a screenshot and message me on Facebook. Okay, next row. That is number 16. Next row. $21, I paired a little bracelet with it, so you can either say 21 earrings or 21 bracelet or 21 set. Next row. 26, you can wear in 3 different ways. To see the different ways, I showed it on my live. 28, I have in 2 different colors. It's on a fish hook. 31 is just like 26, where you can wear it in 3 different ways. The little stud goes in the front. This little area goes in the back of your earlobe. 32. Yeah. So here's 26. That part can be worn in the front, and this big circular area can be worn in the back. I have the back part back here. Next row. 36 comes in 3 different colors. There's this brown, there's the black, and then there's another black back there. So there's 3 different colors. Okay, just say brown or black and gold or black and silver for number 36. 39 comes in silver as well. See, there's the silver back there. Those are post back earrings. Okay, next row. 41 comes in 2 different colors. We have gunmetal back there with the purple and bluish colors, or we have the brass. 42, I have 2 different pairs of earrings. I have these tiger eye earrings or the yellow. 45, I have in gunmetal. There's the gunmetal back there, or the gold. 48, I have in 2 different colors as well. I have the black and gold or the red and gold. Kind of a brick red. Next row, I have these tassel earrings in both red and green. 50, I have in both black and brown. 51, 52, and 53 are pretty much the same earring. Uh-oh, this got twisted around. Hold on. Let me flip this the right way. There we go. 54 are post back earrings in black. 55, same earring in green. 56 are these gorgeous post back feather earrings. 57 red tassel earrings, or actually they're kind of like fringe. 58 are post back acrylic earrings. 59 are post back. These are post back as well. These are fish hook. And these I have in both black and a silver fringe. These are 3/4 hoop earrings. And these I have in both silver and gold. Okay, next row. Drop that number by accident. Okay, so we have number 65. I don't know where the number is. 65 I have in 2 different colors. That's number 65. 66 I have in 2 different colors as well. I have either the blue or the pinkish color. 67, I think I only have these 2 pair left. I have the darker pair and the lighter pair. So just say darker or lighter, number 67. 65 is a post back gold earring. Oh, there's 65. This number 65 goes over here. Sorry. So this is 68. I don't know where the number 68 is. 69 is this gold and acrylic earring. It's a post back. Very cute. 70 I have in 2 different colors. I have the green, or actually the bluish multicolor, or the white multicolor. I'm trying to show you. There you go. So 2 different colors, and that is number 70. 71 is a fish hook earring. 72, I'm not sure where the number is, but it's a post back acrylic earring. 73 is this very beautiful, dainty jump ring and white rhinestone necklace on a fish hook. 74 I have in both copper fish hook and gold fish hook. 75 are these leather basket weave fish hook earrings. 77 are these acrylic 3/4 hoop earring post back. See? 79 I have in both gray / silver. You can call that gray or silver. I also have it in black. Okay. 80 I have in both brownish tan and this grayish color. It's a post back earring. There you go. 81 is this fish hook gorgeous earring. 82 I have in both this burnt orange color as well as the brown post back. That same earring I have in this purple. It's a really pretty deep purple. 84 is a post back earring, acrylic and silver. 85 I have in both silver with blue or silver with orange, and it is a fish hook. 86 I have these vibrant colors with the fuchsia pink, yellow, and orange, or we have the more muted pastel colors with cream, pink, and gray. 87 I have in red and white rhinestones with silver fish hook, or I have it in white rhinestones with gold fish hook. 88, these are a tad heavier, so if you don't like heavier earrings, these won't be for you, but Heavier earrings don't bother my ears. It's on a fish hook, number 88. They're gorgeous. And my last row that I showed yesterday are these 3/4 hoop earrings. We've got 3 different stones. We've got white rhinestones, we've got gray rhinestones, and then we have hematite back here. Those are number 89, and they are a post back hoop. Okay. And then 90 are these post back acrylic earrings. Oh, that was hashtag. Hashtag's talking to you. He's sleeping. He's covering his face. Okay. I have nothing in 91. 92 are these fish hook silver earrings. 93 are clip-on silver and white rhinestone earrings, okay? I have several of those, so if you know anyone that doesn't or can't wear pierced earrings, then I have some clip-ons, and I have others besides those as well in my more vintage inventory. 95 are these fish hook gorgeous rectangular white rhinestone earrings. And lastly, 96 fish hook with pearl and white rhinestones. All right, guys, so this is a recap of what I showed yesterday. If you want to see the full video where I hold them up against my ears so you can see the true length of them, then feel free to watch the video down below. And for anyone that is new and would like to shop with me, all I need is your email address, and I will add these to your cart and invoice you. Everything is just $5, nickel and lead free. So what that means for you is that if you normally have sensitivity to cosmetic jewelry, you should have no issues with these $5 paparazzi. Whoops, I almost fell. With these $5 paparazzi earrings. And if you're not seeing what you're looking for, I have a ton of new releases, new earrings, new necklaces, new rings, new bracelets, new everything, anklets, at my website at www.myglamorazzi.com. All right, guys, happy shopping. Bye.